My name is Attila Simon, and I would like to tell you our challenges about building this cross-platform desktop IDE. So, let's start. I will not do much advertisement of our company. Instead, I would like to show you the interesting challenges. But first, who we are. Silicon Labs is the leader in short-range IoT wireless connectivity. In the top right, you can see we are supporting many protocols. So you would think this is a hardware-first company. Well, we also develop software, and our most customer-facing software is Simplicity Studio. Let me quickly tell you the key features. First, this is a powerful IDE. Second, it supports Silicon Labs' IoT portfolio. And it has a tremendous amount of analysis and configuration tools embedded. So let's start the evolution part. First, the initial approach was manual testing. Of course, that's okay for new features, but after some time, regression testing is just unmanageable. So we needed to introduce test automation, and we chose a Python-based solution for that. But as the product became more and more complex, we needed to make our tests more and more complex by using JavaScript and Selenium as well. The next challenge was that the development code is changing daily, so we wanted to give regular feedback about that. For that, as at many companies, we introduced continuous integration. In our case, Jenkins. And the test results were hard to read. It was not easy to find the bugs in it. So we needed a solution for that. And for that, we selected Robot Framework. Robot Framework was good for us because it's not only a human-readable keyword-based solution. We can support that the studio's repeating UI elements with Robot Framework. So we also decided to refactor the bottom layer of our test system into a test framework tailored to those specific UI elements. And now it starts to get more interesting. When you connect the hardware to Simplicity Studio, then the Studio shows context-aware views regarding those hardwares. So to test that, we needed to create a SQA lab where we connected several hardware boards into either the internet or to virtual here servers. And we added the support of those into our test framework. But running all possible configurations on all these hardware take too much time. So we needed to parallelize. Our solution was to move the clients into the cloud and also add some scripts into our test framework to support this operation. Well, it worked fine, but latency became a problem for some specific test cases, and we can only solve that with adding some low latency servers directly into the SQA lab. And once again, we also needed to extend our test framework to support that. And this is our current solution. But we already see some upcoming challenges. So for 2023, we plan to add as Simplicity Studio supports all major OS versions, we plan to add support for that into our test infrastructure. We will extend the low latency servers and the VM park with different OS versions. And of course, we need to extend our test framework to support that. And as you can imagine, it will increase the test execution time once again. So we plan to refactor our test execution to allocate test case dynamically instead of the current static solution. And also, we plan to separate the installation part and the report generation part, which takes up a huge amount of time during our test execution. And well, God knows what is our next challenge, but I bet it will be a very interesting one. So if you are interested, then you can find me at the Silicon Labs booth. Also on LinkedIn. If you have any questions, feel free to stop me in the venue. And yeah, my name is Attila Simon, and thank you for your attention.